427. You said that was number 9 around the San Francisco Bay out there. Okay, sounds good. That's number 9 up around the San Francisco Bay. Tell number 9 that I said hello. I mean, I didn't want to wave to the wrong person. So tell him I said hello. I got down.
Ford, I appreciate that. Tell Motormouth Maul I said hello, and he's having a good day down that way, that's for sure. And tell him, enjoy the weekend. Because, I don't know, it's getting ready to rain up here. I don't think you're going to see any of it down that way.
Sure, appreciate you. Let me know. He's waving right back. Ain't no doubt about that. All right. We got 427 Nebraska. I'm going to get out of here for a bit and let you get back out there and enjoy some of the rest of the West Coast. Hey, 427 Nebraska, Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast waving.
You there, Big.
Well, it may have been a train wreck, but as long as I was driving the train, man, it's okay. Hello to you, 427. Take care of 73s, my friend, and hello to you, OFF, radio station, Motormouth Maul.
Well, man, I was getting ready to get up out of this chair, too, and do some remodel on my own kitchen. Hey, good afternoon to you, live wire. Welcome to the weekend. Number 9 got down.
I heard okie dokie, hello Motormouth Maul, and I didn't hear the rest, but I heard it sound like it might have been 123 around Chicago. I'm not sure who that was. Let me get my knees up in the breeze.
Hey, live wire, have a great weekend out there. Mr. Off 427, I'll get back and read the mail for a little bit. I'm doing something on my computer right about now, but I'll be around. That's for sure. You can count on that.
Yeah, 10-4 there, 123. Well, you see, you're going to start throwing some snowballs out there, and there's a whole lot of big stations out there right about now, man. I'm just trying to get in there and fit in with these little measly 150 birds, man, and do the best I can with what I got. Hey, 123, good to hear you out there. You're smoking, Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast. Got down.
Yeah, well, I got to get one of those in my radio, man. I need more radios like a hole in the head, but sure would like an upgrade.
Well, that's what you're doing there, Mr. OFF. You got somebody's radio turned all the way off. I mean, clean off to the left, all the way to the click. Ain't nothing but OFF to my receive right about there. Let me get my knees up in the breeze somehow.
Good evening, good afternoon to you, Top Gun 123. Number 9 of East Gainesville on the west side is getting down. Hey, Top Gun 123, you better watch out for Mr. Off, because he's a bad man.
OFF, number 9, Motormouth Maul says yes. I got this hammer down right there in the world of sound. Motormouth Maul, the West Coast beast, got down.
Mr. Off, you just doing your thing down there in beautiful Mobile, Alabama. Good evening to you.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, for Roger and Mr. Off. Hey, Top Gun. Mr. Off is waving a hand and wishing you...
I heard that doggone playback, man. I was like, where'd that come from? That was me.
Said that off of you. Break. For Roger.
I appreciate it, the Red Mustang. Hey, Red Mustang, that was you up there out Minnesota, Missouri. Hey, Red Mustang, radio station, Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast got down.
Number 9 around Frisco Bay with the weekend waves getting down. Who's coming? Hey, 427, man.
Roger, on going head-to-head with old number 9 up there around the San Francisco area, man. Well, we're trying the best we can with these little 150 birds. I have a sneaking suspicion he might be giving me a little run for my money. But it's about the best we got right about now. Ain't got no more. Hello to you once again. All we're going to do is run this thing the best we can with what Mother Nature lets us have at this present time. Hey, Red Mustang, Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast, waving.
I met him. He's a real nice guy. It's kind of funny. You hear guys, you listen to the Watergates, and then you meet them in person, and then it turn out to be nice guys. Even John Denver's actually a nice guy. No, never, man. I might want to strangle one of them.
I appreciate that playback, ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, he's up in there too, and I heard live wire up there in the yard, getting up in there in the world of sound as well. Let me get my knees up in the breeze. Radio station Motormouth Maul, the West Coast beast. Easing back on the side, I'm stepping. Hey, little squirt up there on the Great Lakes, hello to you. Well, you got 83% of the Great Lakes covered in snow and ice. Yee, bird, that's cold. Hello to you once again, little squirt, Motormouth Maul, waving. And I'm stepping.
Put it down and walk away. Tell them, take a 12-step program. Hello again, live wire, number 9 got down.
I heard a 044 out there, or was it 504, Georgia? That might have been 504, but it was real messy, the break.
Yeah, 10 for there. All right, dude, I'll get out of the way. Hey, live wire, have a great day.
Hello, around the Great Lakes with the wave. I heard the station out there on the Great Lakes with the wave. Radio station Motormouth Maul trying to wave around the Great Lakes as well. I got down, back down.
I'll get my hood out here in Frisco Bay. Number 9 with wave is gone. No, it's just Mother Nature. I'm waiting on something. I got something coming.
928 around Big D Dallas. I don't know how you're keeping up on my radio, but you sure are. I don't know about number 5, but I hear you out here real good there. 928 around Big D Dallas. Radio station Motormouth Maul. Got on down.
Hey, 4 Roger, Red Mustang. Man, I thought it was 4. Let me turn my antenna around up that way. Right about there should be better, but anyway, yeah, you enjoy your weekend up there, Red Mustang. You're sounding a whole lot of good down here right about now. And number 9 in Frisco Bay with the weekend wave. I'm trying to get out of the way. I got stuff to do today, but it ain't gonna happen with this microphone cable in my hand.
Number 5 in your radio. Hey, 928.
Take care, Red Mustang.
Around Big D Dallas, Motormouth Maul, the beast, stepped on through.
That's what they said.
T-Bird, bottom side of Kelly, I'm trying. Break.
There are a whole bunch of people out there too. But you just put the hammer on everybody in my radio. Good afternoon to you, number 9.
Oh, number 5. I think I heard you out there with some wideband audio around New Jersey. Now, wait a second here. I heard number 5 around New Jersey stepping with some big audio. If I got that right, if that was number 5 in New Jersey coming rolling in here, now I heard number 5, but I know I also heard 928 around the Bighorn talking to number 5, so maybe that was a playback that 928 made of number 5. I'm confused. Let me see what's going down out here in the world of sound. Motormouth Maul, the West Coast beast, stepping.
Got something real funny in the mail, on the email. I'm trying to send it out to all my friends in my mailbox. And I'm still clicking through, and I click a couple and talk on the radio. I ain't done yet. The coast got down. Yeah, that's probably what I should do, because it's a good one. Everybody ought to read this. Hello. Audio. 442 in the desert. Microphone from my hand, that might help. I'll see you.
Well, I think it's a little bit rough and tough right about this 1036. So I'll get back on the side. I got it rolling in here from Texas. I got it rolling in from the northeast corner and everywhere in between. So the separator can only do so much right about now. Radio station Motormouth Maul, the West Coast beast, stepping down right there one more time in a world of sound. Motormouth Maul, the beast, walked on through and it got down right there, break.
Much better too. But I heard you out there anyway, even if you were pointing southeast. But good afternoon to you out there, live wire, sounding real good in Frisco Bay.
Oops, it looks like I'm still going toe-to-toe with number 9. Hey, live wire, hello to you. Let me get my knees up in the breeze. I'm out.
T-Bird, 504 Georgia, 504 Georgia. How about 504 Georgia? T-Bird, 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 Sandy.
Hey, tell hey, live wire. Hey, live wire. Tell Mother Nature, tell Motormouth Maul to go do some somersaults or something while Mother Nature's rolling back and forth. Hello again, live wire, number 9, Frisco Bay.
Oh, 10-4, you said you were looking at Florida. Holy smokes, man. I didn't realize you were looking out there on Florida. Well, that's why you barely heard me out there. You say Mother Nature doing some dipping and dabbing out there. I'm going to get back on the side, read the mail for a little bit, and see what's going on out here in the world of sound. But hello to you nonetheless. A live wire radio station, Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast waving, and I'm a stepping in. Breaker, breaker, breaker.
Hey, yeah, right on there, man. Hey, you take care. You're making a good trip out here today. Hey, I guess it's almost good evening time to you out that way.
You say number 9 says I needed to be doing some jumping jacks? No, I've been doing some calisthenics over here. I got to make these birds stronger. I don't have anything really going on over here, man. I was just working these little 150 birds, and we got them all exercised and fed and trained, but sometimes it just ain't good enough. So all we can do is what we do with what we got, and that may not be enough right about this present time. Hello to you, live wire. Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast stepping.
Good night later when I can. 122, coast of Maine, number 9, around Frisco Bay is getting down.
Well, somebody out there's got some conditions. They said they ain't got no conditions, but they got some conditions. My conditions are about 10 over 9 on somebody. I'm not sure who that was. But somebody had conditions. Oh, that was Spider. Spider had conditions. All right there, Spider. Well, I heard you out there with your conditions while you're doing your thing out there, man. Hey, Spider, radio station Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast waving, and I'm stepping.
What you got hooked up? Audio driver.
410, I'll see you. Take care. Have a good day. We'll catch you another time, another way. Spider, Motormouth Maul, the beast, walked on through. I didn't hear the whole thing. You said number 9 said something while the conditions are good. I didn't get to hear the whole thing, but I heard you say something about number 9 saying something about the conditions are good, but that's all I got. Motormouth Maul, the beast, walked on through.
Blow all the dust out, clean the poops out.
Oh, you said to go walk the dog while I got the good conditions out there. I say he wants some airtime. He wants me to go walk the dog so I can give him some airtime. Okay. Oh, man. Well, I'll tell you what. I get out there and do a little bit of here and there, and then I'll go walk the dog a little bit, let him have some airtime. Ain't no doubt about that. Motormouth Maul, the beast, stepping back.
I'll get out of the way. It's all fun and games until some...
All right there, Spider. Take care. We'll catch you in a bit. Motormouth Maul, got to make a quick adjustment on the other side of the glass here. I'll be back. I'm going to go try something. I'll see you.
About 8950s. 2 sets extra of the 8950s.
Hey, 6-pack, hello to you.
Listen, takes 8950s. Poor Roger, I heard you out there, 122. It's a mess in my radio, man. I'm trying to get out of here and shut this junk off, but I heard you out there. I got to key it up one more time. What's it, 122, number 9, around Frisco Bay, stepping.